So, the Auckland Botanic Gardens are huge, like 64 hectares huge. There are over 10,000 different plants here from all over the world. What's really cool is how they've organized everything into theme gardens. So, it's like taking a trip around the globe without leaving Auckland. For example, the African plant section is amazing. You will find some really unique species like the bird of paradise, which looks like a tropical sunset in a flower form. There's also a bunch of tough, drought resistant plants that just thrive in dry conditions. It's incredible how they've adapted. Okay, now let me take you to some of my favorite spots in the garden. First up is the native plant garden. It's so peaceful here. You can really appreciate New Zealand's unique plants. It's like a slice of kiwi culture right in the middle of all this global greenery. Next, we've got the rose garden. If you visit during bloom season, it's absolutely breathtaking. The colors, the fragrance, it's just magical. You could honestly spend hours here just taking it all in. For those of you with kids, don't miss the children's garden. It's such a fun and interactive space. Kids can learn about plants in a hands on way, and it's really cool to see them getting excited about nature. And for all the art lovers, you have to go to the Potter's Children Garden. It's hard not to stop and admire every detail. Walking through these gardens felt like such a refreshing escape. The city can be so hectic, but here it's like stepping into a whole other world. The fresh air, the sound of birds, and the all greenery. It's the perfect way to clear your mind. One of the highlights for me was seeing the spring blossoms in full bloom. Wait, I just saw a bird. Let me see if I can get it on camera. I gotta be careful not to scare it. Hi. Hey, we are in the desert section. Cactuses store water so they don't dry out even in extreme heat. Most of the cactus don't have regular leaves. Instead, they have spines, those sharp needles. This helps in two ways: reducing water loss and protection. So, no leaves mean less water wasted. The spikes keep animals away from eating the cactus. Look how it is. And the photosynthesis at night? They open their pores at night to take in carbon dioxide, and during the day they use sunlight to turn it into food. This way they don't lose any water in the heat of the day. Now we are in the African plant section. African plants are some of the toughest in the world. They've adapted to survive in extreme conditions, from the deserts and to the dry savannas. For example, some of the plants have trunks that can store thousands of liters of water to survive droughts. Then there's the bird of paradise flower. There's something so calming about being surrounded by all that natural beauty. It really gives you a moment to pause and just breathe. So, if you're ever in Auckland, make sure you check out the Botanic Gardens. It's more than just a pretty place. It's a chance to reconnect with nature and yourself. And the best part is just completely free. Thanks so much for joining me on this little adventure. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Have you ever been to the gardens before? Or is it in your bucket list? Let me know. This is Nedix. I'll see you in the next video.